Hello and welcome. In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up a job in 360. Now, in this case, I'm going to show you how to create a job where there's been no quote created prior to. If you're creating a job from an existing quote, you'll want to watch the video prior to this one that says how to convert a quote to a job. That will carry all the information that you've sold or quoted to the customer and carry it in 2 quick steps into the jobs folder. In this case, I'm creating a job where nothing was quoted. So this would be, in a lot of cases, T&M work or things where there is no sales process. It's just schedule it and get it in the system. So let's go to jobs. Now, fortunately, if you watch the videos on how to create a quote, setting up a job is almost identical as far as the steps that you go through. So I recommend watching that, and then that will make it a lot easier to follow this one. I'm going to go to my Add a Job button, and as you'll see, very similar. I've got my orange tabs across the top. I'm giving the job a name. I'll call this Test Job 2, and I'm using existing customer criteria, or I can create a new customer. I'm using all my pre-fills in this case. And as you can see, once you get a handle on the system and knowing your way around, it's really quick to set these jobs up. Completion date is, let's say here, put a scope of work, kitchen rewire. No, actually, we'll make this a simple T&M job. We're going to say drop 3 GFIs. Okay, let's go to my, now the one thing that's different between here and the quote section is, in the quote section, job items has its own orange tab. In the jobs folder, there's a lot more to manage, and so you'll see that job info and job items both line up under this orange tab here. That's the one area that's different. So let's go to job items. And in this case, there's going to be just one item for this job, and that is drop 3 outlets, or 3 outlets, install 3 GFI outlets per drawing. Now in this case, I can upload a document with a drawing that shows the location of where the outlets are to go. That can go in here. And I would assume this is about 2. I'm not going to send an apprentice on this, and there's about $5 in materials. Now sometimes this is getting into some of the more advanced areas of 360 should you come on board, and that is using our bid estimator and our preset pricing catalog. So in that case, you could have all this dialed in as a preset price and set it all up at once. So in this case, I've set up my job item. Let's save it, which we already have. And that's all we have to do. I've created a job. I've given it a job item. I can break this into multiple job items if I want to. And now this is in the system and ready to get scheduled and tracked. And that's what we'll take care of in the next video. Thanks for watching.